Welcome to our journey through the solar system. In this video, we'll explore each of the 8 planets that orbit our Sun, from the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy winds of Neptune. Whether you're a space enthusiast or just curious about the worlds beyond our own, you're in for a cosmic adventure. Let's blast off. First up is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest of the 8. Mercury is just a bit larger than Earth's moon and has no atmosphere to speak of, which means temperatures swing wildly from boiling hot during the day to freezing cold at night. During the day, it can reach 430 degrees, 800 degrees, and at night it drops to minus 180 degrees, minus 290 degrees. It zips around the Sun faster than any other planet, completing an orbit in just 88 Earth days. That's why it's named after the Roman messenger god, known for his speed. Even though it's the closest to the Sun, it's not the hottest planet. That title goes to Venus. Mercury's surface is covered in craters from ancient impacts, and it has a huge iron core that makes up most of its mass. It's a quiet, rocky world. No moons, no rings, just raw planetary toughness. Next, we arrive at Venus, Earth's neighbor, and often called its twin because of their similar size and structure. But don't let the nickname fool you. Venus is a true planetary inferno. Its thick, toxic atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. This creates an extreme greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making Venus the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures around 465 degrees, 870 degrees, hotter than Mercury, even though it's farther from the Sun. The surface pressure is crushing, about 90 times that of Earth's atmosphere. Venus rotates incredibly slowly. One day on Venus is longer than a Venusian year. It also spins in the opposite direction compared to most planets, so the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. With volcanoes, vast plains, and mountain ranges, Venus is a hostile yet fascinating world. 3. Earth, our home planet. Now we come to the 3rd planet from the Sun, our very own Earth. It's the only known planet to support life, thanks to a perfect combination of factors: a breathable atmosphere, liquid water, a magnetic field that protects us from solar radiation, and just the right distance from the Sun. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon, which helps stabilize our planet's tilt and climate. Earth's surface is about 70% water, with continents, oceans, forests, deserts, and a vast array of life forms. Unlike the other rocky planets, Earth has a dynamic system of plate tectonics that shapes its landscape and helps recycle carbon. It's also the only planet where humans have walked, at least so far. Earth's atmosphere is a delicate balance of nitrogen, oxygen, and trace gases, supporting everything from microscopic bacteria to blue whales. It's a unique and vibrant world, the jewel of the solar system. Mars, the red planet. 4th from the Sun is Mars, the planet that has captured human imagination for centuries. Known as the red planet because of its rusty surface, Mars is home to some of the solar system's most extreme landscapes. It hosts Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, and Valles Marineris, a canyon that stretches more than 4,000 kilometers across the Martian surface. Mars has a thin atmosphere, made mostly of carbon dioxide, which means temperatures are much colder than Earth, averaging about minus 60 degrees. Despite that, evidence suggests Mars once had liquid water, and it still has polar ice caps today. Scientists are especially interested in Mars because it might have once supported microbial life, and might still. Robots like NASA's Perseverance rover are currently exploring the planet, searching for signs of ancient life. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, and may someday be humanity's next home. Jupiter, the gas giant king. Now we head into the outer solar system to Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun and by far the largest. Jupiter is so massive that all the other planets in the solar system could fit inside it, twice. Made mostly of hydrogen and helium, Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, it's a swirling ball of gas and storms, including the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm that's been raging for centuries. Jupiter's immense gravity has shaped the solar system in many ways, helping to protect inner planets from asteroids by pulling them away. It also has a strong magnetic field, dozens of rings, though faint, and a whopping 90+ moons. The four largest, the Galilean moons, include Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Each of these is a world of its own. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, and Europa may have an ocean beneath its icy crust. Jupiter is a planet of giants, majestic, mysterious, and mighty. Next is Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, and perhaps the most visually stunning. Saturn is known for its magnificent rings, wide, bright bands made of ice and rock that circle the planet's equator. While other gas giants have rings, none are as spectacular as Saturn's. Like Jupiter, Saturn is mostly hydrogen and helium and has no solid surface. It's also less dense than water. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. The planet has over 140 known moons, including Titan, a massive moon with lakes of liquid methane and a thick atmosphere, a world that may even harbor life. Saturn's weather is extreme, with high-speed winds and massive storms, including a strange hexagon-shaped storm at its north pole. Mysterious, elegant, and massive, Saturn has fascinated astronomers for centuries and remains one of the most beautiful objects in the solar system. 7. Uranus, the tilted ice giant. Seventh from the Sun is Uranus, a pale blue ice giant with a strange secret. It spins on its side. While most planets have a tilt of less than 30 degrees, Uranus is tilted at about 98 degrees, meaning its poles experience extreme seasons that last over 20 years. This unusual tilt might be the result of a massive collision long ago. Uranus is made mostly of icy materials, water, ammonia, and methane, and that methane gives the planet its bluish color. Unlike Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus has a much colder atmosphere, making it one of the coldest planets in the solar system, with temperatures dropping below -220 degrees Celsius, -370 degrees Fahrenheit. It has faint rings and at least 27 moons, named mostly after characters from the works of Shakespeare. Quiet and distant, Uranus may seem mysterious, but it offers a unique window into how planets can evolve differently. 8. Neptune, the windy blue giant. Last but not least, we arrive at Neptune, the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun. It's a deep blue world, rich in methane, which gives it its striking color. Though similar in composition to Uranus, Neptune is more active. It has the fastest winds in the solar system, up to 2,100 kilometers per hour, 1,300 miles per hour, and powerful storms, including a massive dark storm system similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Neptune orbits the Sun once every 165 Earth years and has 14 known moons. Its largest, Triton, is a frozen world with geysers that spew nitrogen ice, and it orbits Neptune in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation, suggesting it may be a captured object from the Kuiper Belt. Despite its distance, Neptune is full of activity and mystery. It's the last stop on our planetary tour, a cold, windy giant spinning at the edge of our solar neighborhood. And that wraps up our tour of the 8 planets. From the blistering heat of Mercury to the icy winds of Neptune, our solar system is full of incredible variety and wonder. Which planet fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into space. Thanks for watching.